Hello everyone, my name is Bryce Eusebio and we're currently here at GC Studios.
Hello, my name is Cheska Young Oliveras. I'm one of the owners of GC Studios.
I'm actually familiar with this place now because most of my friends really do classes here. Pero it's my first time being here and I'm actually very excited kasi actually merong cafe dyan sa labas. So perfect yan. So pagkatapos ko sumayo, actually sasayaw tayo mamaya. Meron po magtuturo sa akin. And after dancing, kakain po tayo. Titikman natin ang kanilang mga drinks at mga food.
Kung todo bigay si Bryce sa kanyang dance training, humahataw rin ang move sa kusina.
My name is Kat Alcala. I'm the owner of the Good Coffee Club Cafe. So, ang concept namin is all-day breakfast. We serve all-day breakfast sa alfresco dining. I made sure lang na unique siya, which is nag-focus ako sa mga classic silog dishes, pero nagbigay kami ng twist.
Ready ang pagkain! Kamusta na kaya sa dance studio? Mukhang mapapa-extra rice si Bryce.
We're actually 3 owners, my sisters. We offer different genres of classes, but mainly hip-hop and street dancing. So we teach choreography classes, foundation classes. We also teach K-pop and different kids classes. And go!
Okay. Actually, isa sa mga favorite ko po din kasing sayawin ng hip-hop. So, grooving, feeling the music, it's really a good feeling po. Kasi parang medyo matagal-tagal na rin po kasi ako hindi nakakapag-dance class due to busy schedule. So, yeah, I think this is a sign para magbalik loob na ulit sa consistent training. Wait. Paano yung photo ko? As an artist kasi, I mean, we're on call eh. So like, you won't know, di ba? Like, maybe tomorrow you're gonna dance, you're gonna have to dance, and like, syempre ang daming manonood sa'yo. And you really have to do your best. Pero in order to give the audience a really good performance, kailangan talaga mag-training ka.
I think this studio is a safe space for everyone. May you be a beginner dancer, intermediate or advanced, open siya for everyone. It gives you the confidence na I feel like when you get into the studio, you can be whoever you want to be. As long as tatapangan mo lang, you just have to step into that zone and feel free to do whatever you want to do.
Gutom na ako. So, mga food explorers, I'm here again. So, as you can see, kakagaling ko lang po sumayaw. Medyo nakita nyo naman na medyo nag-struggle ako ng konti kasi medyo matagal po ang aking last training. At gutom na ako. Sakto, meron pong Good Coffee Club sa labas. Yun nga po ang maganda dito sa dance studio na to is after dancing, you can literally eat right after. So, pakilala ko na lang din sa inyo or introduce ko sa inyo yung ating mga in-order. So, chasu adobo with marinated soft-boiled egg. Mahilig ako sa meat, mahilig ako sa itlog. So, perfect na perfect to. Cheers! Sarap! Ang sarap. Hindi nawala yung taste ng adobo. It's kind of sweet, which I like personally. And talagang pinaka-favorite part ko yung smoky yung lasa niya. Bagay na bagay talaga siya sa itlog. And ang sarap din ng itlog. Well, marinated siya. To be honest, I'm gonna rate it 10 out of 10. And then our next dish is honey glazed tuyo with scrambled egg. Hindi ako madalas kumain ng tuyo. Pero, let's see. Oh! Gutom lang ba talaga ako? Masarap talaga yung pagkain. Then, masarap talaga siya. May twist din siya eh. So, it's like honey glaze, di ba? Ako, when I eat toyo, syempre, andyan yung alat. Maganda na nababalance ng honey glaze nila yung alat. And it comes perfectly with the egg. So, I'm gonna take a second bite kasi malakas ako kumain. 10 out of 10 din. Actually, this is very interesting kasi it's called pad krapao. It's like a Thai dish. Tikman natin. Sarap. Ang nakapagbigay ng Filipino twist dito is, imbes na basil daw ang toppings, ang nilagay nilang toppings, chicken skin. Parang chicharon flavor, parang the fattiness, the flavor of the chicken, tas yung crunch din. It blends well with the pad krapao itself. If you're that type of person na nag-explore lang talaga, this won't let you down. Sarap, guys! Yun yung food. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa drinks. Tikman natin na sea salt latte nila. Isa sa mga gusto kong, like, dun ko masasabi kung masarap ang isang drink. Ayoko na masyadong strong. This drink, it's not that strong. Hindi siya in your face, boom, coffee, boom, sea salt, no. Very subtle flavors, pero it's a good mix. Next, caramel macchiato. Ay, ang cute oh, parang may drawing. It's not that sweet. Kahit mas mainit siya. Parang feeling ko kasi pag mas mainit yung drink, mas nagbibigay siya ng sweetness. Parang gano'n, for example, yung flavor, mas hina-heighten niya. Pero, drinking it, you can tell it's caramel, pero hindi siya OA. May bias, sorry. Narinig ko pa lang yung hazelnut eh. So yan, one fact about me, I love hazelnut. You know what I really like about their drinks? Hindi siya nakakaumay. Kaya ko tong inumin ng inumin at parang kaya kong uminom ng second glass pa of this one kasi hindi siya overly sweet. So yan mga food explorers, nandito po yan sa Cubao, napakalapit. Sumayaw tayo, magpakapagod tayo at kumain tayo pagkatapos ng napakasarap na mga pagkain.
I'm inviting everyone to please visit us at GC Studios. Add us on at The Good Coffee Club PH sa Instagram and same din sa Facebook.